Hi, this is Michelle Cromer. This is your Feng Shui question and tip of the week, and it comes from Terry S. in Austin, Texas, where I'm from. Michelle, I'm a little confused on some things you've suggested, like oranges. You said to put 9 oranges in your kitchen in a video I just watched. Why 9? Why oranges? Can I eat them? Thank you so much, Terry, for the question. And actually, a friend of mine just asked me this last week, so I know many of you might be asking the same question. I had suggested that you put 9 oranges in your kitchen, which represents your health. And also, oranges represent prosperity and good fortune. And so it's just nice to have them in your kitchen. Yes, eat them. Replace them maybe with lemons or other oranges. Numbers have vibrations, and so that's why the number 9. So for example, 1, new beginnings. 2, partnerships of all kind. 3, manifestations. 4 is foundations. Think 4 pillars in a house. 5 is change. 6 is service. 7 is introspective. 8 is that nice infinity, the balance between physical and spiritual. And 9 is that completion, or that ending. It's a very auspicious number. So thank you very much. I appreciate the question, and you can ask me any questions at michelle@michellekromer.com, or visit me on my website, michellekromer.com, for your power color, or on Facebook, Michelle Cromer Feng Shui. Thank you so much.